Does your home ever feel off? You move the sofa, you tweak the layout, you even renovate, and somehow it still doesn't feel right. What if the problem isn't the furniture, it isn't the size, but the layout itself? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I redesign a home layout in 5 simple steps. And I'll do it live on a real floor plan so you can see how it actually works. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Lorenzo and I'm an Italian architect based in London and founder of Centioni Architects. On this channel, I don't talk about dream homes or perfect interiors. In fact, I talk about how homes actually work and why some feel calm while others quietly exhaust you. Without further ado, let's get started with this very typical 2-bedroom flat layout. Step 1. Clear the plan. The first thing I do, I remove everything. Because furniture hides layout problems. It hides bad circulation, it hides tight corners, and it hides wasted space. Most homeowners try to fix the layout by rearranging furniture. We architects try to do the opposite. We remove the distraction first. Now we're looking at the home honestly. You can immediately see where circulation is too tight, where corridors are oversized, and where rooms are oddly shaped. You cannot redesign clearly if you're visually overwhelmed. So step 1 is actually pretty simple. Clear the plan, mentally and physically. If you're wondering what is he talking about, well, let me show you. What I mean is get a pen and draw up your plan first without furniture. Things will get clear, trust me. Step 2. Stop thinking in rooms. Now you see these labels? Forget about them. Because this is where most people get stuck. They think this must stay a bedroom, this must stay a dining room. But homes don't fail because of room names. They fail because of activities conflict. So instead, I think in zones. A bedroom is a quiet zone. A living room is a social zone, and a kitchen is part social, part service. This small shift changes everything, trust me. Because now we're designing around how you live, not what the estate agent called the room. Step 3. Redesign around real life. Now we redesign around daily moments. These moments happen every day, and if the layout fights them, you feel it. Now I start adjusting the plan. Notice something. I'm not adding square meters. I'm not extending the flat. I'm not demolishing everything. I'm just reducing friction. Most bad layouts aren't disasters. They are a series of tiny daily annoyances. Architects redesign movement first, because if circulation flows naturally, the home instantly feels better, even before decorating. This is exactly the stage where I use rayon design. Because right now I'm not thinking about finishes or materials, I'm thinking about layout. And what's better than rayon design to think about layouts? Rayon design is a fully web-based CAD platform built for architects like me and interior designers. And what I like is that everything happens in one place. As you can see, I can duplicate layouts instantly, test alternatives, move walls, adjust openings, and compare options without rebuilding the whole project. That speed is crucial, and it's actually very precise as well. And to be fair, one of the reasons why I'm using it is because it looks really good. It also comes with a huge built-in CAD block library, so I'm not hunting for furniture or redrawing basics. That saves a lot of time. And because it's cloud-based, everything updates in real time. No messy file versions. If you want to experiment with your own layout, whether you are a seasoned designer or just someone trying to fix their layout looking at my videos, you found the right software. You can try rayon design for free. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Now, let's keep going. Step 4. Remove before you add. Here's something counterintuitive. I don't add space, I remove obstacles. Most homes feel cramped not because they're small, but because they're over-divided. We inherit too many doors, too many thresholds, too many leftover partitions. Obviously, I didn't like the previous layout, so I deleted everything from the living room, adjusted the kitchen slightly so that it has a very tiny window that can face onto a smaller table, dining table. I added a pull-down bed and opened up onto the bedroom. You see how cleaner it feels? Good layouts don't feel clever, they feel obvious. Step 5. Design for your future you. Now we test adaptability, because a good layout doesn't only work today, it must survive change. Can the home adapt without demolition? Can one room become two functions? Can a quiet zone expand if needed? In this example here, I designed a new Murphy bed. Well, not designed really, just drawing plan for you to understand. And these are very valid examples that you could take to, understand that a Murphy bed or pull-down bed is an actual good solution. If the answer is yes, your layout is fantastic. Takeaway. So this is how I redesign a home layout. Not with furniture, not with trends, not with finishes, but with clarity, zones, real-life movement, simplification, and adaptability. Once these are nailed, everything becomes easier. So let me ask you, if you cleared your home layout today, what would you actually change? Is there anything in particular that you think does work at the moment and you would really be better off if you were to redesign it? Tell me in the comments, because I genuinely read all of them and I think they really help in creating a fantastic community. If this video helped you rethink about your home layout, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It helps more than you think. Until the next one, ciao.